Welcome, in front of me I have ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button and volume up button together. When this menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option and wait until the device turns off. After it turns off, press and hold the power button and volume down button together. And when the ONEPLUS logo appears on the screen, release both buttons. Now, if you don't know your pattern or PIN or password for your phone, tap on Forgot Password right here, then tap OK, and then OK. This will start the resetting process for your device. And at this point, the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.